Yes, hello. This is our analysis on BNB. From my analysis, Bitcoin BNB is coming down as low as the $50 level and even possibly below. So BNB is coming down to $50 and possibly below. So why am I saying this? Uh, there was a bearish divergence that was formed. If you look at this point, there was a higher high, right? But on the RSI we had a lower low. So that gave us an indication that the market is likely to reverse. So what happened? In fact, there had been a reversal. Anyway, BNB has performed better compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yeah. So if we should look at the chart, this is a low here. The market has printed one lower here and there's another low here. So this is what we are looking for. This is a low that is going to be taken. So there's a bottom here, a low here, and then another low here. So this indicates that there are stops below these lows that needs to be taken, right? And from the earlier point, there are people who have already put in bought at this level and expect the market to go higher here. Market makers have to make sure that these lows are cleared before they move higher. So with this double bottom, it gives us a clue that the market is likely definitely to come down to clear those stops. But what do we see below those stops? There is a liquidity void here, right? If you look at the chart, there's an order block here, and right above the order block is a liquidity block, which needs to be filled before the market will go move higher. So we have a clue that the market wants to come down. So what happened? Earlier from previous groups, I put in analysis that BNB, since somewhere early this year, January or February, and then think December, that BNB is definitely coming down to $50 and possibly below. So on this level, the market took out this structure here, this level here, right? When it took out this level, it came to retest it as a breaker, and also on an order block here. There's an order block here. I think if we go on to the daily, that's when we'll be able to appreciate that order block. So let's go on to the daily chart. Okay, so let me go back. Let me scroll back. Sorry. Let me go. Let me scroll back. Okay. All right. So this is where the market. This was the low I marked on the weekly. So you see, anytime the market really wants to go lower, it has to clear some stops and then quickly move down. So what happened here? If you should look at the chart, there was stops here and there was another stop here. You understand? So then the market knows that people have put up stops here who sold at this level and they have their stop loss above. The market came down and came to retest that same level. So definitely people are going to sell again because they will think the market is reversing, touching that level or that resistance for the second time. So if the market wants to go down, it quickly clear those stops into an order block and then quickly move down. So these stops have been cleared. And what happened when the market quickly cleared those stops? It quickly moved down to take out this low. So this low, the market structure was broken, giving us a confirmation that the market still wants to go down. right? And I put out these two arrows because I knew after this low has been taken, the market will have to clear another lows here into an order block before the major breakdown. So these were the reason why I put out these lows, right? And what do we see here? You realize that there is an order block here. Let's pick up our rectangle. That is our red box. That is the rectangle I'm talking about. That's our order block. So you see, sorry. So so you see, the market cleared these stops and then ran into another block, took out this low and then retested, and then took out and came to take out this highs again. Right. So this is an indication that this order block has been successfully retested. The market will love or would want to go down further. Okay, so let us go back to our weekly time frame. So on the daily, we've been able to accomplish where that order block was utilized, and then the market, sorry, and the market wanting to come down again, right? So that is one confluence. The reason why I'm saying Bitcoin, sorry, BNB actually reverse on this side and would want to go down. Another confluence is our Fibonacci 2. Let's use our Fibonacci 2. If you use our Fibonacci 2 from this high, oh sorry, let's use our Fibonacci 2. Where is our Fibonacci 2? Sorry, where is our Fibonacci? Okay, so if we should use our Fibonacci 2 from this high to this low, you will realize that the market reversed right on our 61% to 70 to the 70 to the zero. You realize the market reversed what on the 0.618 and then 0.78 levels. That is the right point. Let's say the uh, the, the point with the higher confluence that the market is likely to go down. It reversed on the 0.618 and then around the 0.786 level. Okay, so this is another confluence. So we have two confluences: the market clearing stops and then walking into an order block on the daily, and then our Fibonacci 2, the market going as high as the 0.78 level down. So this level as a resistance truly held. So what is happening? Let's go back to our daily. So we have two confluences, the Fibonacci and then the other block. If you go to the daily, you will realize I have this green box here, the green box here. Why did I use that green box? When the market took out this low, this one, this particular low, remember this was an order block that had turned this level, there's a red candle here. It was an order block that had turned into a breaker. Right. So if you see the market actually came when the market dropped, it came to retest that level, and on that same level was another other block that was registered here. There was a green candle here before the drop, so that's also another block. So I knew exactly that BNB would definitely retest that level and go down. Any move even higher would be a fake pump. Sorry, let me take some water. Any move higher would be a fake pump. Definitely to trick out some investors and the market right after move quickly down. So that's how come I put out this arrow here that BNB will drop from that level. Yes. So right now we have established the fact that the market wants to go down. Other blocks have been retested. Stops prior to another block have been retested. Market reversed on a 0.78 level and still pushing down. So what are our projections? Why do I say BNB is likely to go to $50 level? Okay, so this is it. Right now, these are stops. This is a level here, a low, another low here, with stops that are resting there. So definitely, as the market pushed up above these highs and then retested into another block, it's the same scenario that's going to happen here. These are also stops, so that the market will definitely quickly move down, clear those stops, and then walk into another block, and then possibly reverse from those levels. So the same scenario is going to happen here. As it happened above here, so is it going to happen below here. So that's one confluence that I know that BNB is definitely going to work below these levels down. Yeah. All right. So when it works down, right now this is another block that has been confirmed. This is another block. So it hasn't been retested, and there are liquidity voids here. So what do you think the market is going to do? It's definitely going to fill those liquidity voids. Okay. And let's use another confluence. Let me delete this Fibonacci 2. With the use of Fibonacci 2 getting our projection, let me project again. Okay. So if I should project again, right now, uh-oh, if I should project again, right now you realize that the market will definitely, if the market should reverse from here, take out this low, which has been taken already, the market is likely to get to our 1.68% level, and that level is $65.2. $65.2. So the market is likely and has higher potential of getting to $65.2. And below the $65.2 is where we have our $50. But mind you, the market will also go to our 2.0% level. That's the 200% level. So with my analysis, and you see right below our 1.68 level is the other block, which is around the $46 level. So this is telling us that the market has a higher potential coming down to the other block at the level at the $50 level. So with this confluence, I know the market is definitely coming down to $50. BNB will come to $50, and if possible, come even lower to let me check again, to maybe $14 or let's say $15 level. Right. So this is my projection for BNB. BNB is coming down to $50 and possibly below to the 10 to $15 level. Thank you very much and thanks for staying. This is not financial advice, but you can pay attention to it. Can you subscribe to the channel if you've not done so? Well, you can see I am an artist and I also do crypto as well. So I'll be changing the name of the channel to Kwakwa Arts and Crypto. So kindly stay ahead, stay on board. I'll be uploading more of my crypto videos and add videos on the same channel. If you need artwork, you can still commission me, and I'll have your very, very good, highly professional work done for you. Thank you very much. This is Kwakwa.